Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see this vulnerability called XSS by insecure file upload. So basically this is a stored XSS. So as you can see here, we can upload an image. So we selected this SVG file which contains the malicious XSS code. So as you can see, we uploaded this file and uh, once you reload this page, you can confirm that we were successfully able to upload this malicious file on our target. Now, what you have to simply do is you need to navigate to the settings section, and now you need to navigate to the inspect tab because we want to fetch the URL for this uploaded image. So as you can see here, uh, under the inspect tab, I selected this image, and you can see, you can confirm on the right hand side that under the div section we were able to get the URL for this image. Now you just need to copy this URL, and when you make the request, before you make the request to this URL, you need to remove this end quote in from the last of this URL. Now, if you make the request to this URL, you can see the pop-up which confirms the successful exploitation of this vulnerability. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for the further updates. Thank you.